Inside the box, the twins meet again. Just the phone, a USB-C cable, paperwork, no charger, no earphones. Eco-friendly or cost-cutting? It's the same story we've had before. The price, where it matters, and here is where choices are made. The Pixel 9 Pro starts at about $550, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL begins at around $650. So here's the final question. If the power, cameras, and features are the same, and the only difference is size and battery, is the XL truly worth the stretch? Or is the regular Pro the smarter choice? That's the decision waiting in your hand. The Pixel 9 Pro or the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Tell me in the comments, which side are you on? If you got any value from this video, then subscribing is the best way to say thank you. Go ahead and subscribe, because the next review might just change the way you look at your next phone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.